This is checking the limits of dimensional tolerance using pneumatic comparator. Aim to use the pneumatic comparator to check the dimension of the given workpiece. Apparatus use pneumatic comparator. This is a compressor. This is an air filter regulator, air filter lubrication. This is a pressure gauge. This is comparator dial and is connected to ring gauge. This is a sample workpiece and this is a master gauge. The principle: changing the pressure between the nozzle and workpiece is utilized to measure the deviation of the dimension being measured from the standard dimension. From the compressor, the air is compressed and sent to the air filter lubricator regulator. In this, air is filtered and it's lubricated. We supply oil to the air and also measure the pressure using pressure gauge. This is a ring gauge. This is a plug gauge. In the ring gauge, the air supply is connected in this. Air is supplied in the hole. This is a master gauge. This dia is 25. One is no gauge, another is no go gauge. This is a sample workpiece to test it. Sample 1, sample 2. In this ring gauge, this is a master gauge. This is a go gauge and this one is a no go gauge. The go gauge is plugged into the ring gauge. Is passing, and no go gauge is not inserting into the hole. So this is a no go gauge. So first, this is a master piece. So set the go gauge reading. So first insert. So let's just see the deviation. First fix the master gauge and make it 0. After make it 0, remove the master go gauge and take the sample workpiece and fix it. So there is a deviation. In this notation, this is for outer dia, this is for inner dia. For outer dia, the needle is rotated in this direction, left side it is a plus, it is also in our right side is a minus. For inner diameter, this is a minus sign, minus, and opposite direction is plus. This reading is plus. So standard dimension is measured by the master gauge is 25. The tested gauge deflection is
the 5 இங்க வந்து லிஸ்ட் கவுண்டோட மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணிக்கணும். மல்டிப்ளை பண்ணி 0.005.
Okay, this deviation is multiplied into list count 0.001. This workpiece having a deviation of 2. So therefore, the tested gauge is deviation is 2 and tolerance is 0. Diameter with tolerance is 25. So division is 2 into least count 0.002. So least count is 0.001. So multiply into division 0.002. So therefore final value is 25.002. and check the another workpiece. Next, fixing the another job. So deviation is 7. So 7 into least count. So deviation is 7. 7 into least count 0.007. So therefore 25.007. Next, fixing another job. The deviation is 20. So mark down the deviation 20. So 0.020. So 25.020. So deviation is 10 to 10 is accepted. If deviation is more than 10, so job is rejected. In the ring gauge, all deviation is positive. So there is all having a tolerance of positive. So the deviation from 10 to 10 is accepted. So from this job, the first two is accepted and last one is 20 deviation. So this is the rejected. Next, plug gauge. This is a plug gauge. This is a master plug gauge. This is a master plug gauge. Fixing the value of deviation is 0. The next piece deviation is 13. This is a positive deviation. So mark that is a standard inner diameter means plug gauge is 25, same 25 mm, and deviation is positive 13. So clearance, the tolerance is 0.01, so therefore 0.013. The final diameter with the tolerance is 25.013. So next, move on to next piece. So deviation is 6, positive. So note it out. So same standard diameter plus 6 deviation. So therefore 0.006. So diameter with the tolerance means 25.006. So if accepted means the deviation is only 10 deviation, plus 10 or minus 10. This is a 13. So this piece is rejected and this piece is accepted. So tolerance of this caliper gauge is 0.001 mm. So for the least count. So least count is 0.001 mm. Result, the pneumatic comparator you are tested to check the dimension of given workpiece.